Hello everyone, I am David Lewis, and today I want to share with you one of the reasons why so many service advisors are not reaching their potential goal in selling more customer pay revenue in service. And the reason is simple. You see, we talk over the customer's head. Let me give you a perfect example. I was in my local dealership service department the other day for a quick oil change and 15,000 mile checkup on my car. Now, while sitting in the customer lounge, I observed a service advisor trying to sell someone a brake job. He told her that she needed new pads, clips, and that the rotor needed to be replaced. At the end of his presentation, I thought she asked a very intelligent question. She wanted a breakdown of the pricing. Well, he broke out the pads, clips, and rotors, and she elected to only have the pads replaced, obviously because of price. Now, when the advisor walked away, I asked her if she actually knew what the rotors were and their importance. She told me no, and I explained to her in layman's terms what a rotor is, how it works, how the pads react with the rotor in order to slow the car down, and the importance of having them replaced. Now, obviously, after hearing my explanation, she decided to have them replaced. So, when you're selling anything in service, you must, and I mean must, speak to your customer in terms that they can understand. This is not the time to impress someone with your knowledge, but to impart what you know to them in terms that they can understand. I hope this helps you and you sell more customer pay revenue.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.